All right, here we are. We're at the nature making station where you can create your own shrine to bring into your home. The idea of creating a little nature shrine is something that we can bring light in, so we have that with us as we move into the next cycle. Make your own nature creation. All you gotta do is drill a few holes in a piece of wood, find some different types of nature, and start sticking them in. And we'll get some glue, and we'll create them like so. I got some holly, some fir, some cedar. I'm gonna get some lichen. This stuff's my favorite. Get some of that, maybe a bit of moss, pine. Oh, huckleberry. Look at that huckleberry leaf. Spiky Oregon grape leaf. Whoa, watch out, those ones are spiky.
Sure smells good around here.
Sure does. Yeah. Cooking up an art project. Medicinal mushrooms. I think I might need a hot glue gun for this one.